If you use WhereScape automation software, but you don't use CI/CD or Git to help manage your code and deployments, then I would like you to take a look at this training course. We have a one-day training course to help you understand how to use the command line within WhereScape in conjunction with CI/CD tools in order to fully automate the deployment and safe storage of your code within Git. There are many reasons why you might want to use CI/CD or Git with WhereScape. The first could be the number of developers you have. If you're starting to grow or if you have lots of teams collaborating on WhereScape, then you may want to use CI/CD to enhance the auditability of the code, but also to help share different versions of the code across many developers. You may have a requirement to peer review or test code as it goes through your data development lifecycle. Right now, you might not have functions in place to do that, but with CI/CD pipelines, you can not only deploy code straight out of WhereScape, but you can then push it into a pipeline that enables testing to automatically take place at a click of a button. You may already be using CI/CD and Git in other parts of the organization, and you're just looking for a way of pushing the code out of WhereScape and into Git. It may be that you're deploying the code manually. You may have a deployment manager or somebody dedicated to following the step, repeating the process, handling any errors, and that can be completely replaced with a CI/CD pipeline that will do everything the way you want it every single time. You could also be looking to do automated rollbacks. So when the deployment fails, you can roll back to the previous state. All of these things are possible when you deploy CI/CD pipelines in conjunction with WhereScape. Engaging Data has years of experience building CI/CD solutions for WhereScape customers across the globe. We can help you avoid the pitfalls while building the most performant and often bespoke pipelines that work for you. If you're a data modeler or data engineer, or you're currently using WhereScape automation and you're interested in learning how to create CI/CD pipelines fully integrated with the software, then click the link below.